Hey guys, this is Reagan, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer in beautiful Boise, Idaho. Today I just wanted to go over our new consignment. It's a 2000 Dodge Ram 2500. It's got the 5.9 Cummins that everyone likes and knows and loves. It's got a reputable engine that runs and drives great, transmission that runs and drives great, shifts as it should, steering that's actually dialed in. He's had a lot of work done to this. It's only got about 151,000 miles on it, so just barely getting broken. It's got a clean title. The owner is actually a really good customer of ours, and so we're helping him sell his truck. Right now I'm just going to go over the condition of everything. I'm going to show a lot of any little scratches or dings on it, just to be super transparent, so you guys know what to expect before you make the trip out here. We've got a lot of customers that come in from out of state, and it's always good to see everything for what it is. As you can see, the paint looks amazing, especially for the year. No rust on the truck, no rust on the frame. Body's straight. A little couple of rock chips here and there, pretty typical for this rig. I mean, being that it's now a 24-year-old truck, it's going to have a couple of things. A little bit of fading right there on the section there, if you can see it. And then on the grill, you can see on the chrome there, the chrome sticker, I should say. Pretty typical. But grill looks good, all the lights look good. Hood looks great. There's a rock chip right here. Right there too as well. Glass is intact, glass looks great. I think that there was like a little GoPro mount right here. Super easy to take off. I'll have that taken off before you come down, but I think that's where a GoPro was mounted. Body looks great on this side. No dents in the body. Come around this other side here. You can just see how beautiful that is on the side. Looks so amazing. And we'll take a look at the bed here. The bed looks good. Some diamond plating, that all looks in good shape too along the sides there. He says this turbo diesel gets about 235 horsepower. It's a 4-speed automatic with overdrive. 4-wheel drive, of course. But as you can see, that frame looks so nice. Don't get a whole lot of rust here in Idaho, so we're lucky enough to not have to deal with that on a lot of our stuff. But yeah, looks awesome. ABS in the rear. It's got some Ranchos in the rear. He says it has a factory limited slip rear axle. It was rebuilt, airbags on the rear axle, factory overload springs, heavy duty shocks. Trailer brake controller, and there is a there's a 5th wheel hitch wiring that's in the bed with a 4-point cab over camper receivers, so You will see that here. It looks in good condition, and 9-pin connect in the back. He's got a couple of things that he's replaced on it or rebuilt. So I'm going to go over a couple of those. I'm going to list everything in the description below here easily. I'm just kind of reading off this list. But it has a brand new vacuum pump with receipts. It has a lifetime warranty for those. He replaced the heater core, replaced the front steering linkage. It has a new muffler. The fuel pump and filtration system, I'll put that in the description below too there. It's got heated towing mirrors, which is really cool. Take a look on the inside here. Never see the interior look like this. Yeah, this second gen Dodges are really nice. I really like the body style. We've had a couple of them. They're great. Power windows, power locks, power seats. As you can see, the back seats look great too. Headliner looks good. There's a little bit of, so like you'll see right here, a little bit of fraying on the front. But overall looks amazing. He does have a cap for the dash, a dash cap there. These dashes are prone to cracking all over the place, just basically falling apart. And so a lot of people get caps for these. And as you can see, it looks really good. From further away, you can kind of get a glimpse of that there where they put it on, but it looks good in person. Sometimes the video likes to exaggerate things, which is great. People are always pleasantly surprised when you see the truck in person, which is great. Seats all work as they should. As you can see, there's a little tiny tear right there, but I mean, that's it. From the rest of it, it's perfect. No tears in the back seats, smoke free. This indicator light for the shift selector, that doesn't work, but anyone that's had these knows that's pretty common for these. Stock stereo. Four-wheel drive works as it should. What's really cool about this is, so it's got heated seats as an option. They don't work, but super cool that you could have the option if you chose to fix it. No, that's the first thing I tried. I was like, no way, there's heated seats in this. Don't really see that a whole lot, so it was cool to see. But yeah, middle console, huge as always. It's great, super comfortable. And then this side looks good. No cracks or anything on there. All right, so we're gonna do a quick startup too. Do a quick startup here for our 2000 Dodge Ram 2500. 151, almost 152,000 miles, super low miles. If you would like to see this beautiful truck, we're located at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in Boise, Idaho. You can ask for me. My name is Reagan. Thank you.